China is now sending robots into police work, and Apple might be shifting chip production in a way nobody expected. You are watching Next Byte Quick Tech News minus the noise. China is rapidly expanding the use of robots in law enforcement across major cities. New deployments include advanced humanoid robots working alongside police officers. Their roles include directing traffic, their roles include guiding pedestrians, their roles include managing crowd flow in public areas. In Hangzhou, authorities recently deployed 15 humanoid robots during the busy May holiday to assist traffic police. Alongside humanoids, large spherical-wheeled autonomous robots are being introduced for city patrols. They assist with surveillance support and basic enforcement tasks. This is no longer experimental, it is starting to look operational. If scaled further, it could quietly reshape how urban policing works in densely populated cities. Now from robotic patrols to something even more strategic behind the scenes. Apple is expected to continue designing its own Apple silicon, but manufacturing could be shifting, and Intel may become a key foundry partner for Apple. Intel would not be replacing Apple silicon, just producing it. Expected roles include manufacturing older or entry-level Apple chips and potential production using Intel's 18A process. This could support future Made in America chip supply chains. Some reports suggest production could begin around 2027 to 2028. With growing political pressure and government backing, there is a stronger push toward domestic chip manufacturing. This would not change what Apple designs, but it could change where the world's most advanced chips are made. From AI-powered police robots to shifting global chip manufacturing strategies, the future of tech is becoming more physical and more political. And this is Next Byte News, where we keep you one byte ahead.